Hello, Rocket Homes team. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today with some information that I think will knock your socks off. You won't believe what I'm going to show you now, but I think it's great motivation for our team going into 2021 to help grow our business. So let's take a look at our conversion. And conversion is key, especially for Rocket Homes. The better you convert, the more leads that you get. So what I started looking at is how well are we converting? And if you take a look at this chart right here, this is every state that has a Coldwell Banker Realty in it that gets Rocket Homes business and their corresponding conversion rate. And if you look at this chart, you notice that you scroll all the way down to the bottom, then eventually you get to New Jersey, second from the last as far as conversion rate. And I know we can do better. So I dug deeper. I said, well, we're in New Jersey. Our market's a little bit tougher here in New Jersey. So maybe that's why we're not converting as well. I looked at the individual counties in which we get business. So I'm going to go through those individual counties. If you're on the team and you cover these individual counties in these areas, well, I want you to concentrate on your conversion and take a look at this and see if you're seeing what I'm seeing when we look at these numbers. So Bergen County, for example, we'll use this as our first example right off the bat. I have us highlighted in yellow. We're converting at a 3.45% percentage rate. So we think, well, that's pretty good for an internet lead. But then you look at our competing brokers, and we have competing brokers in that area that get Rocket Homes leads that convert at around 11%, 9%, even 60%. So when Rocket looks at who they're going to give this business to in Bergen County, we will be third or fourth on that list behind these brokers that are doing a little bit better at converting on it. So that's the instance for almost every county in New Jersey as we go through. They look at how we compete and how we convert against our competing brokers. So let's go county by county. And if I'm on your county, pay attention to what we're talking about, what our conversion rate is, and what our competitors are doing, because they're showing us that we can convert at a higher rate on this business. Essex County, for instance, we're converting at our 10.43 percentage rate. But there are other conversion rates that are higher in that area. So if Rocket has a lead for Essex County, they're going to go to those other brokers first before they come to Coldwell Banker. And we want to improve that number. And that's why I'm getting this out there. I thought it'd be important to get this out there to show you, one, that these leads are convertible at a higher rate than we're doing, which is good because it's business coming in. And what I want to see is leads that come in that we can convert on. So we can convert on these leads because there are competitive brokers or are competing brokers in the area that are doing it, and we can do it as well. So we're at 10.43, but the highest converter competing broker is at 11.11 in Essex County. I'm going to move through a little bit quicker now. I'm going to do Hudson County, and we're converting at a 6.41%, which you think is pretty good, but there's another competing broker out there that competes for the Rocket business that's converting at an 8.33%. Let's take a look at Hunterdon County. Hunterdon County, and this is what really struck home with me, is that we haven't converted any business in Hunterdon County for Rocket Homes, where our competing brokers and our competition in the area has a 12% and a 28% conversion rate. So we have a lot of improving to do in Hunterdon County. So if you get a lead for Hunterdon County, you're in an area that covers Hunterdon County and it's from Rocket Homes, really concentrate on trying to convert that buyer lead. It's really important, and it'll lead to more leads for you. Middlesex County, the exact same thing. I know we have great agents in Middlesex County. I know you know that we have great agents in Middlesex County because you're listening to this video. And I know that you can convert on those leads, but we have a 0% conversion rate for Middlesex County for Rocket Homes. So they're going to go to the other brokers in the area or converting at that business, some of which are converting at a 33 and a 25 percentage rate. So we can do it. And these leads, like I keep saying, these leads are convertible. And we can do it because the other brokers are showing that we can do it. So we get that number up, we can compete and get more leads from Rocket Homes that are convertible at that almost 25%. 1 out of every 4 leads from Rocket we should be able to convert on. So it only takes a little bit of extra time and a little bit of extra effort, and me sharing this information with you. So in Monmouth County, we're converting at a 12.5%. But there are brokers in there that are converting at a 40% and a 23%. One broker's at 100%, but they didn't receive many leads. It might have been a requested file. But there is still room for us to improve there. Now we go to Morris County, and Morris County is our star. So if you're on the Rocket team and you converted a lead in Morris County, you're doing awesome. We're at almost 20%, almost double of what our competing broker in Morris County area is doing. So keep up with the great work in Morris County. My goal is to get the other counties to this level as well. Passaic County. Now this one blows my mind because I live in Passaic County, was an agent in Passaic County, and I know a lot of terrific agents are on the team in Passaic County. We're just not concentrating, giving the Rocket Homes business the time and effort that it deserves. Our competing brokers are converting at 10%, 6%, 7%. We have not converted on one lead this year for Rocket Homes in Passaic County, surprisingly. And that one really blew my mind. So we can definitely improve on those numbers. Somerset County, we're at 9.76%. Again, competing brokers, same story as the other counties, are 17 and 20%. So we definitely have some room for improvement. So if you're an agent on the team and you cover Somerset County, really concentrate and hold on to that Rocket Homes buyer and stick with them and convert that lead. And that's what these other brokers are doing. They are holding on and following up with those leads until they buy, or like I say, till they buy or die. So that's what they are doing, and we got to do the same thing. Sussex County, another shining star. So Sussex and Morris County, the two tops. So 8.75%, good job, Sussex agents. If you're covering that area, awesome job. Our next closest competitor is at 8.33. So the leads that come into Sussex, we will get most of them from Rocket Homes. So thank you for the job that you're doing up there in Sussex County. Union, again, another surprise. 0 closings for Rocket Homes in Union County this year. And we get plenty of business for Union County. We bring that number up, we'll get even more business for Union County, and business that if you look at our competing broker in the area, will convert at a rate of 25%, 10%, or 15%, a lot higher than our 0% rating there. So that's where we stand in the counties that we cover for Rocket Homes and get the most business from Rocket Homes. We definitely have to show Rocket that we can improve our numbers so that they keep sending us leads. And I think it was really important to share where we stand in each county. If your county was represented there, again, take a look and see what you can do to improve the leads that are coming into that county. See what you can do to improve the conversion of those leads that are coming into your county. And do me a favor, now that you've watched this video, reply to this email with the words Rocket Conversion. And that way I know that you got the message and you see where we are. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to me. My number is 973-906-8591. Email me at michael.morley@cbmoves.com. I know we can improve these numbers in 2021. Let's start today. Have a good one.